TensorFlow stochastic gradient descent. Now we'll check that Google examples. Stochastic gradient descent. Sorry. X-axis weight, y-axis cost, x-axis weight, derivative cost. This is minimum cost. This is gradient, incremental step, initial weight. This is incremental step. Here, same that one. Here, stochastic showing, gradient showing. Same enough. This much enough. So you have seen in last video stochastic gradient descent. A batch is the total number of examples which uses to calculate gradient in a single iteration. So far, it is assumed that the batch has been the entire data set. So, the best illustration is working. Google scale data sets often contain billions or even hundreds of billions of examples. So already we have seen gradient descent, stochastic, this red line, stochastic gradient descent, this one, sorry, like this way. Learning rate decay, steps x naught here w omega 1 omega 2 is point minus alpha delta w omega 1 omega 2 derivative or momentum. Adapting learning rate is one of the most important features of gradient descent optimization. This is crucial to TensorFlow implementation. Dropout. Deep neural nets with a large number of parameters from powerful machine learning systems. However, overfitting is a serious problem in such a networks. Standard neural network after applying dropout. After applying dropout, This is standard neural network. Maximum pooling. Max pooling is sample-based discrimination process. Discretization process. The object is to downsample an input representation, which reduces the dimensionality with the required assumptions. 224, 224, 64. 112, 64. This one 224 plus 224 downsampling 112, 112. Long short-term memory LSTM. LSTM controls the system and what inputs should be taken within the specified neuron. It includes the control deciding what should be computed and what output should be generated. XRT integration, summation, addition, multiplier, IE input gate, CT output gate, HT forget gate. So we will see here long short-term memory. Examples, more examples. LSTM memory like this damage. Which one? So mentioning here. This one also another one example. Here we go to see this is the input like this. This is output here also. Input, output. LSTM, LSTM. Long short-term memory. So mentioned here. C1, H, X1, H, C, H. LSTM 4 C1 3T minus 1 HT minus 1 XT minus 1. This is 4T minus 1 XT. This is LSM units 40 plus 1 CT plus 1 HT plus 1 XT plus 1. So this one also we can long-term short memory here connected input input, input. This is a filter, filter, and these all are filter. So you here correct. So maximum pooling, max pooling. We'll see this one also in Google. Max pooling, max pooling. So 2 cross 2 max pooling. Okay. 12 plus 2 20, 12 plus 12 30. So here also mentioning this is maximum pool, average pooling, 2 cross 2 pool size, 2 cross 2 pool size. So output, so this output also same. Global max pooling example. So I3, F3, F3. So 969, that's it. 969. So this much enough example for maximum pooling. Drop out. Learning rate TK. Example. Let's see. Learning rate TK. In this learning rate TK, learning rate decay of your neural network in too low SVF and right too high. So we people are almost in Google also. So we can